Hi, are you looking for something healthy, quick, and actually delicious? This easy chickpea Mediterranean salad is ready in just 10 minutes, and it's packed with fresh, bold flavors. I'm using my vegetable chopper to chop the cucumber, tomatoes, onions, yellow, red, and orange bell peppers. And then I tossed everything into a bowl. And here I'm adding chickpeas and goat cheese. Then in another bowl, I will be adding the vinaigrette. Here I used some olive oil, some yellow mustard, chili flakes, cumin, salt, and lemon juice. Mix all that together and then pour it over your salad. I love serving this with grilled chicken, fish, or even in a pita wrap. If you are new here, I share easy recipes from my kitchen to your home. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Would you try this with extra spice or keep it classic? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.